You're free to leave. Thank you.
Thank you.
For additional $25, I could have the chimp and the girl work together.
And you are?
I'm their agent. We're in both of them. And it's a terrific show. The best thing I put them both on a trampoline, which is the biggest thing.
We'll
Been a huge hit.
we'll get back to you on that.
$25. Actually, $20.
We'll definitely call you.
Okay.
Yeah,
One thing that people love is the chimp will actually take off her. I don't know what this thing's rated, but he'll take off her top.
I'll be darned.
Let's try. You want to try it? Ask how much that is, Chris.
And how much for that?
That's $150.
Wow.
Oh.
You got to see it.
I paid 50 for that in Bangkok.
Yeah.
Hands that I do that help do the thing.
Uh-huh.
You want me to try to go and see if she'll do it?
Sure.
Okay. Ask how much cash she has. Whisper to Alex. No.
Oh.
Chris, whisper to Alex. How much money you got?
How much money do you have?
I've got $13 and I think I have about 35 cents.
How about $30? Is 30 okay?
We're willing to go $30.
We'll go $30 for this. Yes. Yeah.
It takes a while to get into it. Okay. Untie. Sometimes if I started. Untie. There she goes. Untie. Pull. Untie. We'll take 15. Actually, I'm going to charge overtime. It takes longer. Have you ever seen what she does with a little wooden thing?
Please don't let the chimp touch them.
Chimp's good.
Would you like me to come out and untie the bikini?
No, I can do that. I've got. Let me. Okay, here we go. Watch this. Untie. There he goes. Yeah, pull.
Huh.
Sometimes it takes a little longer. We did this 3 times after midnight last night. We did this 3 times after midnight, and the crowd went wild. It's always been a huge hit, especially down in Mexico. Easy. He gets excited about this happening. Okay, here we go. Untie.
Huh.
Oh, so close. Sir, we have a long day today. You're pulling?
What's the rough time frame on this?
Here, let me get her close to it where it'll look. If the camera's at a certain angle, it'll look like she's pulling, and then I'll just pull.
Sir, I could have done that myself.
Okay, pull. Okay, stop. Okay, let's put that back on. Let's, yeah,